Tired of those boring, choppy cuts between your clips? Let's fix that. In this video, I'll show you how to add smooth, professional-looking transitions in Vegas Pro 22, both manually and automatically, and yes, even between multiple clips at once. No fancy plugins, no complicated steps, just simple techniques that'll instantly make your videos look more cinematic. Let's get started. I've already added multiple clips to my timeline, and as you can see, there are no transitions between them yet. Let's begin with the first method. Before adding any transitions, make sure Automatic Crossfades is turned on. You can find it in the Timeline Actions toolbar, or quickly toggle it using Command-Shift-X on Mac or Control-Shift-X on Windows. Now, click and drag the second clip slightly over the first one. You'll see a small shaded box appear. That's your transition duration. You'll also notice curved lines that indicate a crossfade transition. By default, this transition is a simple crossfade, but you can easily change it. Right-click on the overlapping area, go to the Transitions menu, and choose Insert Other. A window will pop up showing all the available transition styles. Pick your favorite, and Vegas will apply it instantly. You can even adjust the transition's properties to fine-tune its look. If you ever want to go back to the default crossfade, just right-click again, head to the Transitions menu, and choose Change to Crossfades. You can also customize the fade type or easing curve for smoother animations. Right-click on the transition region, go to Fade Type, and try different curve styles. You'll see the change directly on your timeline. You can even right-click at the end of the transition curve and choose your fade type from there too. A more visual way to change transitions is through the Transitions tab. Here, you can actually preview transitions using thumbnails. Just drag your desired transition onto the overlap area between two clips, and boom, it's applied. You can again customize its settings if you'd like. Now here's a cool shortcut. If you've already set up one transition and want to copy it across multiple clips, there's no need to redo it each time. Just select the clip that has the transition. I'll pick my second one here. Press Ctrl-C to copy it. Then, select all the other clips where you want the same transition. Right-click, choose Selectively Paste Event Attributes, and in the window that appears, enable pre- or post-transition type depending on which clip you copied. For me, it's pre-transition type. Hit OK, and now all the selected clips have the exact same transition. Pretty neat, right? Let's look at another way to add transitions. Make sure your clips are right next to each other with no gaps. Go to the Transitions tab, grab any transition you like, and drag it directly onto the cut between your clips. You'll see your cursor change into a small box with a plus sign. Drop it there, and your transition is added. But notice something. When you preview it, the second clip might start midway or show content that doesn't match the beginning. That's because Vegas loops your clips slightly to create the transition. If your clips have continuous motion, it might look off. You can fix this by readjusting the clip positions, but honestly, this method works best for static visuals like slides or images. And finally, let's talk about adding automatic transitions. Let's say you're importing a bunch of clips, and you want Vegas to automatically add transitions between them. Before adding clips, go to Options, Preferences, Editing tab. Enable Automatically Overlap Multiple Selected Media when added. You can also set how long you want your default transition to last using the Cut to Overlap conversion field. It's 1 second by default. Click OK. Now when you import clips to your timeline, Vegas will automatically add smooth crossfade transitions between all of them. Instant transitions, zero effort. And that's it. You now know multiple ways to add, customize, and automate transitions in Vegas Pro 22. Try mixing up your transition styles to find what fits your video's vibe. Subtle crossfades for cinematic edits, or dynamic effects for fast-paced videos. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss more simple yet powerful Vegas Pro tips coming your way. Drop a comment below and tell me your favorite transition effect. Thanks for watching, and as always, take care and keep creating.